Hello everyone, welcome to Family Fun Time. I'm Jared.
I'm Cullen. I'm Callie.
Today we're going to be doing a Jiggly crystal experiment. Here's what you need to do this experiment. Some polyacrylate, a 1/8 teaspoon, 3 test tubes. If you don't have test tubes, 3 plastic cups are perfectly fine. You'll need some warm water and 3 small cups to mix food coloring in, and a dropper and a stir stick. Ready to get started, guys?
Yeah.
Alright, first we're going to go ahead and take our warm water and fill our 3 small cups about halfway up. Alright, what colors you want to use, Kylie?
Green and blue.
Green and blue, okay. Well, how about you put 5 drops of green in there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good job. Good job. Alright, and put 5 drops of blue in that one.
Why not with the green?
Because it's going to turn a different color.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright. Alright, what color would you like, Cullen?
Orange.
Orange. So we'll need to mix yellow and red.
Yeah.
So put 3 drops of yellow, sorry.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, and you're going to put 3 drops of red.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Alright, Kylie, why don't you stir your green with the stir stick. Stir it up good. Alright. Stir your blue up too. Alright.
Could you help me a little bit? This one. It's tricky to get
There we go.
all.
Yeah, they're a little tricky. Alright. You want to stir the other one too? Let's shake some of that blue off first though.
Can I shake mine?
You want to do it? Let Cullen stir this.
Yeah.
There you go.
My one's gonna be pretty cool.
Perfect.
Here. I
Alright.
got a little blue on me.
That's okay. Alright, now Cullen, how about you take the polyacrylate and put 1 scoop in each of the test tubes.
Okay. Just good?
Yep. One more in the last one.
There.
Perfect.
Now I can do it.
Alright, actually, we're going to go to the next step.
Ooh.
Next, you want to put about 5 milliliters of water into each of the test tubes from your colors. So go ahead and scoop up. We're going to look on here. You see where it's got the 2? We're going to go to the 2 and then we're going to go to the 3. Okay?
Okay.
Put it in the water. Squeeze up. Alright, that's a little more than 2, about 2.5. Let's put it in this one. Put it in that test tube. Ready? Squeeze it out. Squeeze it.
All the green comes out.
Alright, let's get one more. A little bit more. Alright, let's go. And put it in there. Squeeze. Let's get one more. Right there at the 1. Alright. That'll work.
That's in.
Alright. You can use the rest of the water that you have in your other cup to kind of flush the colors out.
To clean it.
Alright, you want to do your blue? Let's get some. Squeeze the top right here. Squeeze it. There we go, to the 2. Alright, let's put it in the middle one. Let's see, we'll bring it closer to you. There we go. Squeeze it. There you go.
Wait, it's bouncing.
Alright, let's get back to it and get some more.
Yeah.
There you go. Back to the 2. Alright. bit more. That's a little too much. Let's go to the 1. Right there. All right. Good job.
Wash it out.
All right. Let Cullen do his.
Yeah.
All right, Cullen, fill it up to the 2 times, and then we'll go to the 1. Let's get a little more to go. There you go. That's at the 2. And put it in yours.
Bouncy orange.
And get to your 2 again. And then fill it up to the 1, because you need 5 milliliters. That's good. There you go.
I see the colors.
Uh-huh. All right. Now you want to wait about 15 minutes to let the polyacrylate suck up the water, and you'll see what happens in about 15 minutes. We'll be back. Welcome back. And as you can see, the polyacrylate has started to suck up all the water, and our crystals are starting to form. So now that the water is all gone, you can go ahead and continue on and add more water to each of them, and you'll repeat this process again and again and let them sit for 15 minutes until, if during your 15 minutes the water is not absorbing anymore, then that means they're done. So let's do it again. Cullen, go ahead and add 5 more milliliters to yours.
Okay.
That's about 1.5.
What I hire you?
Alright, get some more. That'll be about 1.5 again. We say that's 3. Get it up to the 2. Is it good? There you go.
Whoa.
You can go ahead and put it in there.
Oh.
Yeah. Alright.
Now I can do mine. Can you
You do yours. Squeeze it good. Alright, that's about 2. Okay, put it in your green. Okay. Alright, we get 1 more. Okay, squeeze it good. Watch, let Daddy help. There you go. Alright, squeeze it in there.
Now I can do.
A little bit more. Like that.
Now I can get my.
Hold on, let's rinse the green out. Okay, get your blue.
All the way to the 2.
Mm-hmm. There you go. Put it in the middle. There you go.
Really
Alright, do it
good,
again.
Kylie.
Alright. In the middle. Alright, a little bit more. Right there. Alright. Now, we'll let them sit for 15 minutes again. We'll be back. Welcome back again. As you can see, now our crystals soaked up more water and they're getting much bigger now.
Yeah.
So, we'll repeat the process again.
Can I do it this time?
Go ahead. You start. Let's clean the glue out first. Alright. Go ahead and add again.
How many? 5.
That's almost to the 2. Okay. Go again that much. Okay. Now make it go to the 1 this time. Alright, let's squeeze a little bit of that up. About right there. You go. Alright.
Now I can
Kylie,
do mine.
your turn again.
I want to do first.
You can do it. Go ahead.
Uh,
Which one are you going to do first? The blue?
yeah.
Get your blue.
All the way to 2.
Mm-hmm. Put that in there. That's 1.
You're good at this, Kylie.
Alright. Let's get a big scoop. Let me help you. There we go. Now we got a lot. In there. Good job.
Oh, put
A
it
little
in
bit
there.
more.
A little bit.
That's good. Oh. rinse it out. Now do the green. Go to your green. Alright. Do that again. Your green. Good job. A little bit more. Alright. 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 We'll be back again in a few minutes. Welcome back. And as you can see, our crystals have absorbed all the water that they'll hold now. So now we'll pour them out and check them out.
Hooray, I can't wait to play with them.
Pour for you. And you had the orange.
Yeah.
And Kylie said green.
Green.
And we'll give y'all each some blue.
Hooray.
Boop.
Don't give her all of it.
There you go. Alright. So what do they feel like, guys?
They feel cool and cold.
What's it feel like?
There's a sucked up water. Slime.
Kind of slimy a little bit, huh?
That too.
Just one up close.
They can
So you
even
can see they're real squishy.
they can even break. Hey, I got green. Yeah, I got
You want an orange one?
Yeah, you can take two of these.
There you go.
Thanks.
They're cool.
Yeah. Yeah, they feel slimy. You can break.
They break apart
Yeah.
pretty easy.
And mine
Yeah,
is
sure they sure
squishy.
do.
Can I have a stick?
A stick. We'll get one now.
Mine is squishy too.
So this was the Jiggly crystal experiment.
Yep.
When you're ready to dispose of these, you definitely don't want to put them down the sink because it will clog the drain. And you don't want to eat these. So
No.
when you're finished, put them in the trash can, and that's a safe place to dispose of them. So was this a cool experiment, guys?
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright. Well, thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this experiment, we'll leave the description down in the to how to do it down in the description box. And hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching.
Bye.